Where are we going today, Peter?
Alexa, how did you get on here? Well, I'm up to the city of London for a brief walk-in tour. It's going to be a bit spontaneous, to be honest. I.e., poorly planned vlog, really. Stick with it.
Central Line, Circle Line.
I worked in the city of London for nearly 40 years. I've floated through this station in a complete daze on a daily basis, along with my fellow robot commuters. However, since I retired 15 years ago, I now see this station in a completely different light. A springboard to exciting London adventures. This small adventure will terminate at the famous weekday market at Leather Lane, where there is more street food stores than you could throw the proverbial falafel at. I can smell street food from more than 3 miles away. Never cease to be amazed at the ever-changing skyline of the city, with its tall, quirky-shaped buildings, gherkin, walkie-talkie, shard. Walk a block, and one suddenly appears from nowhere, finding itself framed between a group of beautiful historic buildings. I love London. It's so unique. This is me walking in slow motion for effect. Cheesy.
No one's around. Yeah.
Vapour users hover outside doorways discreet. Meantime, postroom workers discuss Tottenham's defeat. A Cafe Nero or Costa's? What is the most hot? Who cares? Just make mine frothy, with an extra shot. No more bowler hats or pinstripes attire. Workers now dress down wearing headphones, no wire. Free papers like Metro adorn station staircases, and abandoned betting slips can get caught in your laces. An hourly peal of Bow Bells sets the city tone. Watch where you're walking with that bloody phone. Samuel Peeps wrote his famous diaries on London life. He had many female admirers but forgot about his wife. He witnessed a massive fire in a bygone age, but London duly recovered, revered now on the world stage. PAs of Peckham and Hackney carrying their designer cases, young males furtively checking out those with pretty faces. Hooded e-bikers up to no good will never win prizes. Much new building construction all to see. Men in hard hats drinking copious cold tea. Lofty cranes sway carrying curtain walling. Now run out of verses. Shall we end up with London Calling? Are we at Leather Lane yet? Not quite. Nestled between Hatton Gardens and Chancery Lane, Leather Lane Market boasts a huge variety of street food. mainly street food, fashion, household and general goods, alongside fantastic pubs, cafes, restaurants and more. The market's rich history stretches back over 400 years, making it one of the oldest in London. Today, the market is home to a community of contemporary and traditional traders, some of whom have held their trading pitch here for several generations. Okay, I'm going to have to dive in a minute. I say it's sport for choice here. It's all like fresh street food. It smells marvellous. Pity there's no smell-o-vision here. Or you could share it with me. Or just get out here and try it. Yes, I'm going to experiment. I mean, obviously the stalls with the biggest queues are the most popular. But I'm impatient. I'm going to pick a little stall, take a gamble. There. Let's dive in. Right, got me street food. Might find somewhere to eat. I mean, it's so manic down there. And you think, well, I'm going to sit down and eat this in comfort. And first of all, have a look. It's a large rice wrap. No, sorry, a large rice chicken dish. And there's just masses of it there. I don't know if you can see that. Please consider subscribing to Riley's YouTube channel before he finishes his days in the local retirement home, where the broadband signal is rubbish.